In primetime news this evening, from the front line, a doctor on the COVID-19 battleground in Jamaica details the experience. Debating the matter, attorneys offer arguments on the constitutionality of the COVID-19 response and safety concerns addressed by the BPO's leadership.
Also this evening, lockdown. Prime Minister announces all-island curfew to contain coronavirus spread. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. On air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, oil down. But what about electricity prices? Andrea Chisholm will have the details in the business day.
And in sports, no Olympics this year. IOC announces new date. Jordan Fort will tell you when in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, what are your thoughts on the government imposing a lockdown to prevent the spread of COVID-19?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.